you doing? Kyle from Brickworks Property Restoration down at the Novi Home Show. Here all weekend, today through Sunday. Got a bunch of great offers that you can only get here at the Novi Home Show, so come down and see us. Like I said, offers you can only get here at the Novi Home Show. Come on and see us. Something I really want to bring attention to is we partnered with a great organization, FAN. For every appointment booked while we're here at the Novi Home Show, we're going to donate $5 to FAN. Great organization. Come down, see us. Anything from brick, block, concrete, chimneys, porches, duct pointing, foundation work. Come on, see us. We can handle it all.